Right now we have problem. This is a problem of a or this is an example of a practice set. Say this is a problem set 1. This is a problem of a problem set 1. It is a 7th example is there, and out of the 7 this is second example that I am talking about, right? So let's solve this example. So to solve this example, uh, let's read the example first. So what is given in the example? That is there is a name woman Kantabai. She just went to bought something. So what she is going to bought? She is going to buy two things. That is nothing but a tea, and next thing is nothing but a sugar, right? So she just bought sugar, how much? 5 kg, and tea, she how much she bought? That is 1.5. That is nothing but a 3/2, right? So, and for that whole thing she just need to use a rickshaw for the journey, and for the rickshaw she just paid 50 rupees. So including 50 rupees, total expense was rupees 700. So what to do with this particular problem? Now let's consider uh, let's consider what we need to consider over here. Let's consider price of tea. Price of tea is rupees x per kg. So what is the price for a 1 kg? That is nothing but a rupees x. For the tea it is over now. Now for sugar price, say price of sugar is, say, rupees y per kg. So what is her total expenditure over there? The total expenditure is nothing but a 1.5 kg of tea, right, plus 5 kg of a sugar. 5 kg of a sugar she just bought, right, plus she gives rupees 50 for we can say that transport. So transport she used, that is nothing but a rickshaw. So whole expenditure she got, that is equals to rupees 700. So rupees 700 I'm writing over here, right? So we already consider that for 1 kg that is rupees x. So for 1.5 kg is nothing but a 1.5, that is nothing but a 3/2. So for 3/2 kg she need to pay 3/2 x, plus for a 5 kg she need to pay, say, 5y, right, plus this 50 will be is equals to, that is equals to rupees 700, right? So now we got the situation, right? Okay, so this is the first equation that we have. Let's solve this equation first, simplify this equation, right? Now by to solve, so what to do? Just take a 50 to that side. So what exactly you will get? This 3/2 will be as it is, 3/2 x plus 5y, that 700 will be as it is. Now that 50 will go to that side, it will become minus 50, right? So we got an equation that is 3/2 x plus 5y will be is equals to, say, 650, right? Why 650? 700 minus 50 is nothing but a 650. Now we don't want a fraction over here, so what to do? So I'm just going to multiply here by equation 2. So by multiplying equation, this left hand side I'm writing again, that is 3/2 x plus 5y will be as it is, right, into is equals to 650 into 2, right? 650 multiplied by 2. Now so exactly let's find out the problem, right? So what is the 2 into 3/2 x? 2 into that I'm writing 3/2 x, right, plus 2 into 5, that is 2 into 5y will be is equals to 652, that is equals to 1300. So we got equation. So the simplified form of this equation is nothing but this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. What will remain over there? That is nothing but x plus 2 5s are, that is equals to 10y. Okay, this is equals to say 10y will be is equals to 1300. So this is nothing but we can say that equation 1. So we got this particular equation from first condition. So this is up till now. So from this is whole up to 700. This is your we can say that first condition. This is first condition. Now afterward, what happened? She realized that the ordering things online, means by ordering things online, she don't need to pay the money, because in previously she paid 50 rupees for the transport. Right now that she is now getting that particular whole things home delivery, so she she don't need to pay money for that particular journey, right? So at a home only she will get everything. So in a second condition, or in a second case, what she bought 2 kg tea. So 2 kg tea, 2 kg nothing but a tea she bought, plus what she bought right now, that is nothing but a 7 kg sugar, 7 kg sugar, right? And whole expenditure she just paid. How much amount she paid? That is equals to rupees 880 rupees. So rupees 880. Now how much is the amount over here? For 1 kg we already consider, for 1 kg of a tea what she need to pay? Rupees x. So for a 2 kg she need to pay, that is equals to 2x, and for a 7 kg she need to pay 7y rupees, right? So that is equals to 880, right? So this is equation, second equation you got. So what is your first equation? You already got the equation first, that is equals to this equation. Which equation I am talking about? This is the equation 1, right? So equation 1 here we have, right? So equation 1 says to you that is equals to 3x. Yes, this is 3, this 3 is remain over here, right? 3x plus 10y is equals to 1300. And second equation I'll write over here. What is the second equation right now? We got second equation is that is 2x. This is equation 2x plus 7y is equals to 880. 2x plus 7y is equals to 880. Okay, I'll write equation over here. 2x plus 7y will be is equals to 880. So this is your equation second. But in equation 1 and equation 2, the coefficient of x here it is 3, and coefficient of x here it is equals to 2. So we need to combine the coefficient of x. What to do? I wanted to make this coefficient as a 6 again, and I also wanted to make the coefficient of x in this first equation equal to 6. So what to do? Multiply this equation by 2, multiply this equation by 2, and multiply this equation by 3. So by multiplying, what will get? 3 2s are 6. So I am writing that equation here, that is 2 into that equation, left hand side of the equation 1, that is 3x plus 10y will be is equals to, okay, will be is equals to, right? This 1300 multiplied by 2, because I am multiplying 2 on both sides, on left hand side as well as right hand side. So this equation will become 2 3s are 6x plus 2 10s are 20y, right? 2 10s are 20y will be is equals to 13 2s are 2600, right? So this is equation third you got, right? And by multiplying this equation 3 to this side, so left hand side I am writing, that is left hand side is what? 2x plus 7y, right, will be is equal to this 880 will be as it is, and we are multiplying 3 on both side, right? So because here I multiply by 3, so 3 2s are, I got a 6x plus 3 7s are 21y will be is equals to 880 into 3, that is around 2640. If you multiply 880 into 3, that will get a 2640. So this is equation say 4, right? So we got equation 3, we got equation 4. So now we have the coefficient of a that x, coefficient of x here is the same. So that's the reason why I'm solving. So if the coefficient of the any variable equal means it becomes equal, and if their sign is same, we need to subtract. So subtract equation 3 from 4. So I'm writing equation 4 first. So what is equation 4? That is 6x plus 21y will be is equals to 2640. And now I'm subtracting equation 3 right from this equation. So I'm subtracting equation 3 is over there, that is equals to 6x plus 20y will be is equals to 2600. Now we need to subtract this. So by in order to subtract this, so what we used to do to after for the subtraction, we used to say if this sign is positive here, we used to change the sign. Means that is a fact, right? So this plus 20y will become minus 20y. This plus 2600 will become minus 2600, right? So 6x minus 6x here will get a 0. 21y minus 20y. So by subtracting 20 from 21, you will get a 1y. 1y means that will only a y, right? So that will be the 2640 minus 2600, that is equals to 40. So you got the value y is equals to 40. So what y is nothing but a value, this is nothing but a price for sugar. This is the price for sugar per kg, right? So you got the price of sugar. So this is the half problem is solved. Now we wanted to find out the values of a we wanted to find out the price for the t, right? So you can put the value of y in any equation. I'm going to put the value of this y in a equation 3. I'm going to place, or equation 4 also you can place. So I'm writing the equation, say put y is equals to 40, in equation, say any equation you can put equation 3. I'm writing equation here. Here you have equation 3, right? I'm writing that equation 3 again, that is equals to 6x plus 20y will be is equals to 2600, right? So 6x will be as it is plus 20 into y is equals to what? Y is equals to 40. So that is equals to 2600. Now so we wanted to simplify this equation. So what exactly you will get? 6x will be remain as it is, plus 20 into 40, that is equals to 800, that is equals to 2600. Now 6x will be is equal, this 800 will go to that side, it will get subtracted. So 2600 will be as it is minus 800, right? Now this 2600 minus 800, so that will remain around 600 minus 200, that is equals to 1800, right? So you will get a 1800. So 6x is equals to 1800. So take a 6 to that particular side, it will get divided. So 1800 divided by 6, 6 ones are 6 threes are, and 0 will be remain as it is. So x is equals to, we got that is equals to 300. So what x is nothing but a, x is what? This is price for t per kg. So the problem is solved, right? Problem is over now. Now we have a next problem of that particular problem set 1, and out of that fourth problem we are talking about, right? So this is a problem number 4. So what exactly which is mentioned in the problem? Let's read that problem first. So sum of, that means addition of, sum of present ages of present age. So this is a very important. Present ages of two persons are there. Person number 1 is say Manish, and second one is Savita. Their addition of their present age is equals to 31. Addition of their present age is 31, and Manish's age before 3 years or 3 years ago, it was 4 times that of the age of Savita. So we have a two condition. So that is the condition number, this is condition 1, right? This is condition 1, and we have a condition, next condition, that is this condition I am talking about, right? So condition, this is second condition. So what to do? Let's simplify this problem. So what exactly in this particular problem is, we have present ages. So let's consider let's consider what we need to consider. Present age of Manish. Present age of Manish is equal to x years, right? Next, who is the next person over there? That is Savita. So present age of Savita is say y, right? And they ask you, they gives you condition 1 now. Condition 1. So what condition 1 says? Condition 1 we have. So condition 1, in a condition 1, sum of, that means addition of their present age. So what is the present age of Manish and Savita? That is x. Addition of present age of Manish and Savita is equal to 31. So from condition 1 we got a equation 1. Now 3 years ago means now in a condition 2. Condition 2, right? So in a condition 2, so what it exactly is which is given over there? So in a condition 2, they gives you 3 years ago. So let's say 3 years ago. 3 years ago, that means we need to subtract 3 from their present ages, right? So 3 years ago, what is the Manish age? Say if it is the present age is x, so 3 years ago Manish age will be his age will be is equals to x minus 3. Means 3 years ago his age will be x minus, because his current age is x. Now next, what is the Savita's age 3 years ago? Savita's age 3 years ago, because her current age is y, so that's the reason why 3 years ago that will become y minus 3. Why I am just subtracting 3? Because let's consider that for an example, age of Savita is say 15 right now, current age her is 15. 3 years ago, that means before 3 years how much her age will be? Her age will be equal to 12. So how we will get a 12? If I subtract 3 from a that particular 15, so we will get a 12. Same way, we don't know the exact age of Savita or the Manish, so we consider their present age is x and y, and 3 years ago their age will be like this. But from condition 2, so what condition 2 exactly we are getting? In a condition 2, Manish age 3 years ago, so I am writing x minus 3 is Manish age 3 years ago Manish age 3 years ago was 4 times the age of Savita, but they have not mentioned over here the age of the Savita. Manish age, because in the condition second, Manish age is 3 years ago, 4 times the age of the Savita. Okay, so age of the Savita is nothing but a y minus 3, because we need to, because as we consider the age of the Manish is 3 years ago, it is like this. Age of the Savita 3 years ago, it is like this. But in this condition, they never said that 3 years ago we need to consider the age of Savita. So let's consider the age of Savita 3 years ago. It was like this. So x minus 3 will be remain as it is. Will be is equals to multiply 4 inside, 4 into y, 4y minus 4 3s are 12. Keep as it is. Take a 4y to this side plus and take a minus 3 to this side. So x minus 4y, because this plus 4y will come to this particular left hand side, become minus 4y, and this minus 12 will be remain as it is, and this minus 3 will become plus 3, right? So we'll get a next side of the equation, right? Means a simplified form of the equation, right? Okay, let me remove this for you. Okay, now next this equation is, I'm writing over here, right? Equation is, that is x minus 4y will be is equals to, what is that, minus 12 plus 3, that is equals to say minus 9, right? Okay, so this is equation, second equation we got. Right now here we have a coefficient of x here, it is nothing, means 1. Coefficient of here x has nothing but a nothing, is that means it is a 1. So if the coefficient of the simultaneous equation or the variable of the simultaneous equations are equal, then what we used to do, we used to subtract. So what to do? Subtract equation 2 from 1, equation 2 from 1. So I am writing equation 1 first, right? So that is equation 1 is x plus y will be is equals to 31, and the equation second is plus x minus 4y will be is equals to minus 9, right? So while subtracting, that is our fundamental rule, that is change the sign of the equation which we wrote below, right? We used to write below. So this plus x will become minus x, this minus 4y will become plus 4y, this plus 9 will become minus 9 will become plus 9, right? Okay, plus 9, right? Plus x minus x, it will become 0, plus y plus 4y plus 1y plus 4y, that is equals to 5y will be is equals to 31 plus 9, that is equals to 40, right? So let's consider that now we got a 5y is equals to 40 by simplifying. So y will be is equals to 40 by 5. So this division you will get, that is y is equals to 8, because 5 ones are and 5 eights are, right? So y is equals to 8. So what is y? Y is nothing but a age of a Savita. So her present age is 8 years old. She is a 8 years old, right? Now put the value of y in the equation 1. Put y is equals to 8 in equation 1. So what is equation 1? That is x plus y will be is equals to 31. I am placing the value of y is equals to 8 over here. So x plus 8 will be is equals to 31. Take this 8 to this side, it will become minus 8. So x will be is equals to 31 minus 8. Now x will be is equal to 31 minus 8, that is nothing but we can say that 23, right? So the x is nothing but a age of a Manish. So we got the age of Manish. So 23 is the present age of the Manish, and 8 years is nothing but a age of a Savita. So this is the problem. Fourth is over. Now let's move towards say next problem. So what is the next problem? Here we have fourth problem is over. Now let's take a fifth problem, right? Now this is the fifth problem. So what is the fifth problem? In a fifth problem, let's maximize for you. Let me maximize. Okay. Now this is the fifth problem. So what is the fifth problem? There are what exactly over there? There is a factory is there. What it is there? There is a factory. In the factory, the ratio of the salary of the skilled and unskilled workers. So what are there? There are skilled type of workers. There are skilled type of workers, and there are unskilled type of worker. Unskilled type of workers. That means those doesn't have any kind of a degree or something, or that doesn't have any kind of skill, something like that, right? So their salaries are in the ratio of a 5:3. So now let's consider what we need to consider. Okay, I'll write a little at this particular portion. Okay, just hold on a second. Okay. Okay, I'm writing over here, right, for you only. Okay, now what you need to consider age, it is a salary thing, salary of skilled person, salary of skilled person, salary of a skilled workers, we can say salary of a skilled worker, that is equals to say y rupees, right? Rupees y, right? And unskilled person, salary of unskilled workers, unskilled unskilled workers, right? Unskilled workers, say rupees X, or you can consider this is rupees X also and this is rupees Y also. Okay, that is better to consider initial salaries of a skilled person to be X and salary of a unskilled person, that is equal to say Y. So I am going to consider salary of the skilled person is X, salary of the unskilled workers or the persons is nothing but a Y. Now in a condition 1, so from condition 1 is given. What condition 1 is over there, right? In a condition 1 it is, they said that the ratio of the skilled and unskilled workers is 5:3. So ratio means division. The ratio of the skilled, the salary of the skilled person is X and salary of the unskilled person is equals to Y. This ratio is equals to 5:3. So by simplifying, you will get cross multiply this. So what exactly you get? 3 into X will get multiply, it will become 3X will be is equals to Y into 5 will become 5Y. And if I change the side of the 5Y to this side, and this equation ultimately will get, that is equals to 3X minus 5Y, right? Minus 5Y, and nothing will remain, that is equals to 0. So from first condition you got equation 1. Okay, now I am writing condition second. So condition second over there. So what is the condition second? The total salary of the one day of both of them is rupees 720. Okay, salary for the one day that we need to consider, right? So daily salary or one day salary, let me consider one day salary of a skilled worker is X and one day salary of unskilled person is Y, right? So total salary of a one day of both of them, total salary means salary of a skilled person for the one day is X and salary for the unskilled worker, means that is one day salary for the unskilled worker is say Y. Total means their addition we need to take, and that is equals to rupees 720, right? So from the condition second we got a equation second, right? But in the coefficient of here, these are the two linear equation we got. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now the coefficient of here, it is of X is equals to 3 and coefficient of here X is nothing, that is not equal to 1. So what to do? I just wanted to make the coefficient of the X is equals to 3 in equation second. So what to do? I am multiply by 3 or multiply equation 2 by 3 Okay, I am writing the left hand side of the equation 2, that is equals to X plus Y will be remain as it is, and I am going to multiply this particular side by 3 and 720, this is right hand side, that is also we need to multiply by 3, right? So 3 into X, it will become 3X plus 3 into Y, it will become 3Y will be equal to 7 3 0 0 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. Okay, I'll make some room for the that number. Okay, okay, just hold on a second. Okay, so this will be equal to 300, right? Just hold on a second, let me take a pen. Okay, 300, 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. So this is equation 3 we got. Okay, from equation 1 and from equation 3 we can say that now coefficient of X here, it is nothing but a 3. Now we got a coefficient equal. Now by elimination method we will solve, right? So what to do? We have a same coefficient, same sign, then subtract equation 1 from equation 3 So we need to write down equation 3 first. So I am writing equation 3 over here. So equation 3 is equals to 3x plus 3y will be is equals to 2160, and equation 2 is equation 1 we are subtracting from this equation 3, right? So equation 1 is equals to 3x minus 5y will be is equals to 0. Now what to do? We need to subtract. While subtracting, our golden rule is what? We need to change the sign of the below equation, this equation, right? This plus 3x will become minus 3x, this minus 5y will become plus 5y, and 0 doesn't have any kind of sign, no need to change the sign. So plus 3x minus 3x will become a 0. Okay, plus 3y and plus 5y will become 8y. That will be is equals to 2160. Now we got equation that is 8y will be is equals to 2160. Now need to simplify this. So y will be is equals to this 8 will go to this side, it will get multiplied, it will get divided to the 2160 divided by 8. Now we can divide 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Then what exactly will remain over there? That is equals to 3 8 twos are 16, 16 plus 4 20, and plus 1 4 and 5, okay, 56. Okay, let me divide by simple way. So this is a simple way. 2160 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, right? Okay, what will remain? 5 will remain, and need to take this 6 to this side. 8 sevens are 56, right? Minus 0 0, then I will take this 0 to this side, it will remainder will be 0. So 8 zeros are 0. So 2160 divided by 8, that is equals to 270, right? Okay, I'll remove for you. 270 is the answer. So we got the value of a y. Value of a y is equals to say 270. So y is equals to 270, right? So what y is nothing but a 1 day salary of the unskilled person. So y is equals to 270, that we got rupees 270. This is salary, 1 day salary of a unskilled person. But we don't only wanted to find out the salary of the unskilled person, we wanted to find out the salary of the 1 day salary of the skilled person also. So put the value of this y equal to 270 in equation say 2, right? So I am going to place the value of a equation, value of that particular y in equation say 2. What is equation 2? X plus y equal to 720, right? So okay, put y is equals to 270 in equation 2. And what is equation 2? X plus y is equals to 720. X plus y is equals to say 720. Yes, yeah, the same equation we have, right? So place the value of y is equals to 270 over there. So x plus y is nothing but a 270, I am writing as it is, will be equals to 720, right? And now x will be equal to 720. This plus 270 will go to that side, it will become minus 270, right? So subtract 720 minus 270. So 0 will be remain as it is. Now subtracting 27 from say 27 from the 72. So what exactly will be the value will remain there? Okay, I'll take a remainder 1. 12 minus 7, that is equal to 5. 1 remainder, 7 minus 3, it will become equal to 4. So 450 is nothing but we can say that answer. So x will be is equal to rupees 450. So this is the salary of a skilled person, right? Definitely it is a more. So you in your future you need to be skilled one, not a unskilled, right? So become a skilled, so you will get a more salary, more money, isn't it, right? So this is a with a problem number 4, right? This problem number 4 is over, right? We can stop right now.